Hi, I'm Squeaky Clean Dave, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a channel update on why I haven't done a video for a couple of months now and things that I've got coming up and things that are planned. So just before I carry on, first of all I'd just like to thank everybody that subscribed to the channel. It's just gone over 1,000 subscribers. That's absolutely brilliant. Really appreciate that. If you didn't keep subscribing and watching the videos, they wouldn't be worth doing, so thank you very much. Thank you, I really appreciate that. Also, I'm sure you've noticed the new backdrop. This has been designed for me by a talented young graphic designer, a lad called Elijah. He's a really nice bloke. If you want any logos or flyers, anything like that done, I'll put the description to him underneath in the description below. Also, I'd like to thank Austin from AW Photographic. He's given me a bit of advice on different colours, backgrounds and that sort of thing. So Austin, thank you very much as well. So I know I haven't done a video for probably a couple of months now. Really sorry about that, but unfortunately work's got very busy over the summer period. Also we've had problems with ill health in the family. I'm afraid the YouTube's a hobby and family and work are going to come before it, so I'm very sorry, but all being well we'll be doing some more videos again now. So what have we got coming up? Well, I've got a few reviews to do. First of all, I've got the new Slick Connect, or Slick 2 Connect. This is the new one that's come out from Exceed Innovations. Great design, so we'll be having a look at those. We've also got the new Gardner Quick Lock valve. This replaces the gooseneck on your pole and also the univalve. It's all in one. You turn the pole and it turns the water on and off. So we'll review that, see how that goes. What else we got down here? We've also got the newish, it's been a few weeks now, what's it called? Rinse bar. It's the 35cm rinse bar. They've cut down the number of jets. The last one I did review was a short one for the shorter brush and it had a lot more jets, so it used a lot more water. So those were the two things that I wasn't happy with about it. So I've got the new one, so we'll stick that on a pole and we'll see how we get on with that. So what else have we got coming up? I've also got the Cleaning Expo on the 7th September. If you're going to the Cleaning Expo, come up and say hello. Come and have a chat. Going to be doing a video around the show again. We've also got series 2 of Meet the Window Cleaning Trade, meeting a whole new bunch of different people, different suppliers, and there might be a few faces that you recognise in the videos as well. So we're going to be doing the interviews with those, so looking forward to that. We've also got some non-scientific experiments coming up. I've seen a few comments on Facebook lately about people being accused of scratching glass. So what I'm going to do, I've got a sheet of glass and I'm going to try and scratch it. I'll try and scratch it, I'll brush it with a pole, with the brush dry, I'll do it wet, I'll push on really hard, I'll try it with the jets, I will try it dipped in sand, and we'll see how hard it actually is to scratch glass. And I've got a few other things coming up as well, so I hope you carry on watching. I hope you've enjoyed the videos so far. If you have, thank you very much. Thank you, as I said, to everybody that has subscribed, and I hope you carry on watching. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe now, hit the like button, and we'll see you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.